In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a continuously looping video on Behance using Vimeo. This is particularly useful because Behance itself doesn't offer a native looping option for videos directly uploaded to the platform. So, if you want your video content to play on repeat seamlessly, we'll guide you through embedding it from Vimeo, a platform that offers this functionality. To get started, your first step is to upload your video to Vimeo. You can easily do this with a free account, so there's no need to worry about extra costs if you're just getting started. Once your video is uploaded, Vimeo provides a variety of settings that can help enhance your video presentation. Our focus will be on two specific features: autoplay and loop. After your video is uploaded, locate the share button, typically represented by an icon that looks like a paper plane or arrow. Clicking this will reveal the embed option. Now, here's where Vimeo shines. You'll see settings that allow you to check boxes for both autoplay and loop. Make sure you enable both features. Autoplay ensures your video starts automatically as soon as someone opens your Behance project, while the loop feature makes it replay continuously without interruptions. These settings are crucial for creating that seamless, engaging experience you're aiming for. Once you've configured these settings, Vimeo will generate an iframe embed code specifically tailored to suit these options. This is the code snippet you'll need to integrate your video onto Behance. Simply copy this code. It's a small but vital sequence that bridges Vimeo and Behance together. Now switch over to your Behance account and find the project editor where you'd like to add your video. Within the project editor, look for the Embed Media option. This function allows you to incorporate external content easily. Click on it and paste the iframe code you copied from Vimeo into the designated field. With these steps completed, anyone who views your Behance project will encounter a video that springs to life instantly and flows into an infinite loop, perfectly aligned with your creative vision. There will be no additional controls, providing a distraction-free viewing experience unless otherwise configured. By using Vimeo as a solution to embed a looping video, you're leveraging its robust video hosting features without compromising on presentation or functionality. This method not only makes your work more dynamic, but also enhances the viewer's engagement, giving them a smooth, uninterrupted experience. So go ahead, elevate your Behance projects with seamlessly looping videos, and keep your audience captivated from start to finish.